Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Miriam. In today's video I'll be showing you how I grilled this juicy turkey and roasted plantain. If it sounds like a video you would like to see, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Guys, I'll also be showing you how I disgraced myself in public. Keep on watching for this video. Thank you.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile.
So guys, this is what we are working with. We have some fresh turkey here that have been washed and pat dry, though it's not all dried up, but I've washed and pat dried it. Let's make the sauce. Guys, I'm so sorry. I seriously do not know how I made this sauce without it showing. I forgot to turn on the camera. Please forgive me. So guys, for the sauce I used tomato mix, that's pepper and tomato with onions. I fried it in vegetable oil, added curry, thyme and some salt, including ginger and garlic. That's basically what is in the sauce. So after frying for 15 minutes, I mixed it with the turkey to allow it to marinate. I allowed this mixture to marinate for 30 minutes before proceeding to roast the meat. So guys, I'm peeling some plantain for the side. I'm using ripe and unripe plantains. So guys, in here I'm making the local sauce for the roasted plantain. Inside here I have some sliced onion, roughly chopped red pepper, upaka, bouillon cube and some salt. I'm adding red oil. Guys, I'll microwave this for 15 seconds for it to melt and mix together. Guys, see me here now. I cannot be missing in this type of enjoyment. Look at me having the best time of my life. Guys, I beg, subscribe to my channel, oh, please, please, please. Make us see food chop tomorrow, please.